Hey, buddy. Go get your, Payson, will you go turn on Dylan's toy so we can see him scoot? Go hit the button. Dylan, let's see what you do. No, leave it over there so he has to scoot to it. Go, Dee Dee. There he is. See, he gets on his knees. Hi. Here he comes. Dylan. Hey, Dylan. What you doing? You can check out the tent. Hey, Dee Dee. What are you doing?
I'm just being silly.
Oh. Okay. Watch out for a minute. Watch Dylan scoop, peeps. There he goes. Okay. He gets where he wants to go. That little guy.
Do a picture of me.
Say later, dudes.
Later, dudes.